Alright, so I've got my new cover. Put this in here. Let's see, what do I need to unscrew? Let me look at it real quick. So these three things are here. These three big screws are here, looks like. Oh, I actually need to do these ones too. Well, those two. Yeah, those two is in front. But actually, let me do this one first. It was hot today, earlier today. It was like lower 90s, mid 90s. And if you're out in the sun, it was probably like 100+ degrees. I'm still sweating now, and it's already about 7 o'clock. See little plastic bits from this screw, because this is a self-tapping screw. It taps into the plastic. Alright, so this should be able to lift right up. Okay, here it goes, lift right off. Like that. And now for this piece. So this piece doesn't pop up. You need to unscrew it. Oh, good thing I didn't try to popping it off. I was thinking of popping it off. Glad I didn't do that. I probably would have broke some of the clips. Right, okay, so actually the speedo mount, three rubber washers here. Get those off as well. And these ones, there's 4 little clips here, or actually 5 clips. Let me push it from this side first. So I'm basically, because it's hooked on like that, so I'm basically kind of lifting the blue part that way, so that way it gives the silver part a little bit of clearance, like so. And once they loosened up, it comes off pretty easy. That's it. There's the old one. Set that aside. Got a new one. Alright, so here's a new one. Jeez, everybody scratched this tiny little spot right here when I dropped it earlier. Okay. So this one goes like so. So let's see, looking at how this thing is made, or how it's designed. So you just clip the bottom one first and work your way towards this end. Like that, like that. Nice. Okay, now that side's in. Let's do these 2 little screws here. This looks like stainless steel, but it's magnetic stainless steel, so that's good. That means it's a little stronger. If it's not magnetic stainless steel, it's not as strong, but it doesn't really matter. You know, this application doesn't need strength, because it's all plastic. Everything's plastic. So non-magnetic stainless is probably a little cheaper than magnetic. Excuse me, it's the other way around. Magnetic stainless is a little bit cheaper than non-magnetic. So these little washer thingamabobs, bushings, washers, whatever you want to call them. Okay, so now you need to go like this. There's a button right there. Like so. So just make sure you put it in so that way it seats in here. Let's see. Okay, so the blue part slips through like so, right on all three of them. So this side, now you see that it's all the way through. All right. Okay. So here you got another washer there, or rubber, I should say, rubber washer, spacer. Then you got the metal washer, like so. Oops. So push it up a little back there. I won't screw it all the way in yet. I'm gonna give it a little bit free play there, so that way if I need to make any adjustments, I still can without having to loosen things up again. See how dirty already this little thingamabob here is so dirty. Especially the floor mat is what I'm using. I'm using a little foam floor mat to press the piece on. And that's tightening. Okay, that's good there. Flip this back around. See, everything looks good. Okay, the button still works, and it's moving. It's being pushed in and out freely. All right, so that's good there. Old one, the original one right here. This is the original. Oh, that's what I forgot. I forgot this thing too. Oh, that's what that was for. So I forgot these clips here. These clips. And this piece right here, this back piece. That's why it didn't fit funny. I was like, what the hell is it? It's not fitting right. Okay, let me redo that. All right, so these clips are easy to take off. Just kind of slide them off a little bit. I'm gonna need a little flathead to kind of pry it a little bit. And a little flathead here. Pry it from the side of the hooks. I think the side of the hooks is the side where the actual nut is. I think these things are called what are these things called? They're called nut clips or something like that. Something like that. I forget. Jeez, it's not coming off. Usually these things come off pretty easy. Oh shit! There we go. Sliding off. There we go. So it's just a pinch. It's a solid pinch. So it's hard to slide off. There's another one. Now we need to get this two off here. Where's my screwdriver? Oh, that's not it. That's my screwdriver. So down here. Jeez, I don't know how I made that mistake. Took this cover off, didn't even pay attention to what was on it. It was just a hot day and my brain's kind of fried right now from the hot day. Alright, so this should just pop right off. Okay, this one actually hooks in. This hole on this side is bigger than this hole because this little thing right here actually slides into it. There we go. Now that's off. Okay. Here's the new one, like so. Okay, it's in. Same, yeah, these are the same. Mosquitoes buzzing right next to my hand. Wants to bite me right there. It's interesting that it wants to bite my hand and that's not wants to land on my hand and not somewhere else. Go ahead, land on it, son of a bitch. There we go. Nope, missed it. God damn it. Oh, what's this screw on? Clips. So the nut side of the clip where the threads are, it's on the inside. So okay. Damn it, bugs getting eaten alive. Okay, now it should fit good.